Mabaw. Mr. International, right? Marathon International, Mr. Kevin Dasso. MMFF 2024 Best Supporting Actress at Endoro. And then we have from Grand Republic, Jovel Guy, the CEO. And we have Miss Jazel also, who is also one of our sponsoring beauties tonight. So yeah, take it away, guys. These are our media, friends of our media. We cover pageantry, lifestyle, entertainment, and I don't know the sports, but anyway, tonight, just take it away. We have mics here if you guys want to ask.
Vaughn, ikaw na muna.
I'll shoot the first question. I'd like to ask Chelsea. I wanted to know, have the qualities you look for in a candidate change after joining an international pageant?
Honestly, for me, the qualities that we always look for in a candidate has always been about what it really is that she feels like in her heart and what really truly means for her to be in a pageant. Kasi it's important that once a girl steps on the stage, she knows exactly what she wants, what she's doing. If she can also empower women, it will reflect naman to the audience, to the organization. So it has always been the same for us here. So I know now that here in Miss Universe Philippines QC, we have varieties of women of all walks of life. So we're really excited for that day.
Thank you. I'd like to shoot the next question to Kathy.
Hello.
Hi, Kathy. We just wanted to know if you're into pageants, and if so, how is it? How does it feel now that you're the panel judging the candidates?
I'm very into pageants kasi nagigising ako ng maaga. Para talagang abangan ko sa TV. As in, even my friend Martin Bautista is, alam natin meron siya, viral siya for so many years. And parang we have the same attitude. And siya yung una kong sinabihan nung nagdanahan ako na mag-judge for Miss Universe Quezon City. It feels very unreal as a pageant fan and as a lucky Quezon City. And also, I feel very grateful to have this opportunity to support and to be there for these wonderful ladies talaga to represent our city. And I'm very, very excited kasi parang, wow, I can't wait for tonight. I'm very ready and I'm sending good vibes to everyone.
Hi Michelle, I'm Christian from The Crown Philippines. So you've represented Quezon City so well. What's your best tip for the girls?
I would just like to tell each and every girl competing tonight to enjoy the moment and to just live their night like it's the last. You can't take back every moment that you can spend with the girls. This experience is once in a lifetime. And even though you can recreate it, you will not be able to really have it really have it another time around. So just really enjoy it, live life to the full tonight, give it your best, and whatever happens, just be proud of yourself and whatever you've achieved so far.
Question. So, hello, TJ Catalan from OPMD Worldwide. So my question goes to the two gentlemen. So, what are the particular qualities or traits that you are looking for someone that you want to win for MUPH Quezon City? For the two gentlemen, for tonight, what are the qualities that you are looking for?
What are the qualities that I'm looking for? Well, I'm not a judge for tonight's show, so it'd be, how do you say, it'd be out of my voice to look for something that has really an opinion. But what I would like to see, based on experience, is similar to justice, is that the candidates really reflect on what they're doing before they get on stage, why they're going to do it, and how they're representing their city, their province, and also really have a good time on stage because the energy that you have it will be reflected externally. So it's really important to have a calm mind and calm heart and really give all you can do your best to the people watching, your family, your fans, your friends, and the city and the province.
Well, coming from last year, I guess the thing that I'm looking for the most is be the fire. Kasi they're all beautiful. Pero the thing is who really wants it, who's willing to put on the work Kasi last year naman ako naging familiar with pageants. And then nakita ko it's a real job. Nakakapagod ka talaga na po yan back to back, etc. So I think the only thing that's gonna help you from start to finish would be if you really want it. So it's really the fire to make a difference para makuha yung position and platform. That's it.
Hi, I'm Jeff from ABS-CBN-Scotia.com. My first question is for Ms. Jess. So nagmamarato ako for quite some time now for Sex City. How do you enjoy it so far? And what would usually impress you for Jess?
Anyway, in Showtime kasi it's totally different from how it really is in national pageants or other pageants. It's all about the personality, and I'm enjoying that so much. We're always told naman that these are all walks of life also. There are girls there who are 18 years old, who are breadwinners. So of course, since I've already been there, you know how beauty pageants work, I already know what they really want. It's not just about winning Sexy or winning a title. It's about really saying their story to the people there. And if it's already enough for me to know na totoo naman sila sa sinasabi nila, sa gusto nila, they have what it is that they really want to fight for, then that is already enough for the judges to really impress us. It's not just you standing in the stage and not perfect, because that's really hard to always look like you're perfect on stage, because sometimes there can be a downfall. You just really have to enjoy it. So since I have done it for Showtime, I laugh on it, nakakatuwa kasi I'm enjoying the stories, nakakatuwa yung posts there, I get along with them. Sometimes if we have a quick time, I can go backstage, nakausap ko yung mga girls, I give them a little bit of attention, always smile, to enjoy, to always look at the pose, kasi it's important that you're looking around, not looking like you're so stiff naman, but yeah, it's fun.
I'm sorry, follow-up question lang po. Now that you're more frequent sa TV, if ever given a chance, what kind of project would you like to do?
Watch out.
I really love being so public eye, as long as I can influence so much women who looks just like me, you know, in pageantry. You know, if they can make it to do acting, to do singing, and these are the qualities and what I also want to do. I'm open naman to all kinds of projects and whatever it will bring me. So,
I'm sorry, next question is for Ms. Michelle. Representative ko ito, last year po, in-announce your engagement. Can you share po, like, if ever made preps for something?
How's the way to
It's coming soon. So I'm actually almost finished with my wedding prayers, and I'm very thankful. You know, being in the sports industry, being part of the beauty pageant industry, I've had a lot of friends along the way who have helped me plan this wedding. So if there's one thing that I'm grateful for being a part of the beauty pageant industry, sobrang daming connections, ang daming friends na talagang tumulong sa akin during the whole preparation. And ang dami ko talagang naging mama, ang dami ko naging mga friends na talagang nag-alaga sa akin all throughout. And I'm doing this journey with them. And my wedding is this year, actually in a few weeks. So, yeah. And so, you'll all see.
Sorry, follow-up lang po. You won as MVP po last conference. If ever po you get married, you still be active?
Nagtabasa ko siya ng Facebook. You won't retire, not so soon. Yes, I still will continue playing. And I will not leave. We are in season now, so our wedding will be in the midst of our season. So I will try to balance as much as we can and schedule. And hopefully my teammates as well will get to enjoy the celebration. And yeah, I will continue to play for the next. We'll see how many more years.
Michelle, follow-up lang daw.